The Woodland Estates project is a fire that occurred back almost a year and a half ago that we were brought in on to give a hand with the owner. A fire occurred on the 4th floor on the north end of the building that jumped down the hallways and jumped up into the roof and caused an extensive amount of damage to the 4th floor. We were brought in to assist on the project to come up with a repair for the building, which got really carried away with what we had to do with it. We couldn't fix the roof because the diaphragm of the roof wouldn't work according to the engineers, and then it just led from one thing to another, from code upgrades to sprinkler systems to entirely stripping the entire outside of the buildings. And then the other complication that we had on the building was that it was everything had asbestos in it. The flooring had asbestos in it, the wall joint compound had asbestos in it, so the entire inside of that building had to be gutted to the studs. And we basically took that building all the way down to the studs. But the Woodland Estates project is very unique in a couple of aspects. One of them is that we were required to bring it up to code, and that meant a lot of things. Number one is that we had to put a sprinkler system in the building, which it did not exist. Number two is we had to meet the energy code. And that was one of the reasons we couldn't repair the roof back the way it was because we couldn't get enough insulation in that ceiling in order to meet the current energy code. The thing that we're most proud about that building is that the building is brand new now. Everything in the building is new HVAC system in the thing, new sprinkler system on the inside of it, and then this new technology we put on the outside of the building to bring the R value of the building up. So it's going to be a lot more energy efficient than it ever was before, and the building really, really does look good now.